Welcome to Keto Meals and Recipes.com. Today I'll show you how to make a very delicious and super easy Mediterranean broccoli salad. Besides being really tasty, this is a great prep-ahead vegetable side dish because any leftover and extra salad will last several days in your refrigerator. All you have to do is cover the bowl with cling wrap. And the best part is the taste develops over the first few days. And that's because of the lemon vinaigrette, which helps to develop the taste as it's absorbed into the vegetables and other ingredients. By the way, the link for this recipe, which I posted last week, and any other that I mentioned are all available in the description box. So please go there and check them out. This Mediterranean broccoli salad is nutrient rich and is a wonderful light lunch meal or a perfect complement to many protein entrees. Keep watching. I'll show you a few of the things I like to pair this salad with to make a full meal. Now, the macronutrient ratio for each serving of this Mediterranean broccoli salad is 1.9 to 1 with 10.9 grams of total carbs, but don't worry, there's 4 grams of dietary fiber resulting in only 6.9 grams of net carbs per very generous full meal size serving. And of course, if you're having it as a side dish, you serve less so there's less carbs in total. Here I have assembled most of my ingredients. I still have to add the lemon vinaigrette. As you can see, there are very few ingredients, and that's why it's so easy and quick to make this salad. And the most time-consuming prep part is actually just cutting up the broccoli florets and the other vegetables. Just to make things a bit faster and easier, I bought a bag of broccoli florets at Costco rather than a full broccoli head. And that's because for this recipe, I want only the tender parts of the broccoli and not a lot of the stems because they're just a little bit too pulpy for a raw salad. What you want to do is to cut up the broccoli into bite-size or fork-size pieces. And as you cut up the broccoli, just toss them into a large mixing bowl. The next thing I'm going to do is to scoop out a few artichoke hearts from this jar. I don't need the liquid, so you can drain it. Then all you have to do is cut the artichoke pieces into smaller bite-sized pieces, about the same size as your broccoli florets. Having done that, put them into the mixing bowl. Because tomatoes are out of season currently, I'm going to use hothouse cherry tomatoes. And that's because these little cherry tomatoes are riper and have a nicer aroma and taste. Because these cherry tomatoes are a bit on the large size, I'm cutting each of the larger tomatoes into quarters and adding them to the bowl. Here you have a choice. To this salad you can either add whole or cut up Kalamata olives or black olives if you prefer. Next I dice my red onion and the red bell pepper, also known as capsicum. The next thing I'm going to add is my toasted sunflower seeds. And now it's time to add the crumbled feta cheese. Doesn't this look delicious already? Then get your wooden salad servers. I'm borrowing my daughter's. She got these in South Africa. Aren't these cute? And toss all your vegetables very well. Now it's time for the last ingredient, my lemon vinaigrette. Give it a good shake and pour over the vegetables. Then toss well to ensure the vinaigrette coats everything. This salad is ready and there's nothing more to do, but I suggest you put the bowl in the refrigerator to rest and cool for a minimum of half an hour. You want the marinade to infuse into the vegetables. The leftover salad will last beautifully in your fridge for several days. Just cover the bowl and store in the refrigerator until you need it. However, before serving, toss again so that this delicious lemon vinaigrette will recoat all the vegetables. Then all that's left to do is scoop out, transfer to a serving bowl, and enjoy. As promised, here are a few suggestions of what I would like to serve with this Mediterranean broccoli salad. We really like to add the 2-ingredient grilled steak. I would not serve this with fish. I think it's too strong of a taste, but I would serve it with any of my numerous already posted chicken entrees. But of all the chicken entrees, my favorite with this Mediterranean broccoli salad is the barbecue chicken bundles, or better yet, the bacon wrapped chicken dogs. And that's because the tasty chicken breasts are fully wrapped in bacon and then slathered with my amazing barbecue sauce, which complements the broccoli salad and the lemon dressing absolutely perfectly. I hope that you find this recipe useful and interesting. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my video. And if you like this recipe, please share the link. And if you're not getting your notifications, please make sure that your notification bell is turned on all. Most of all, I hope you come back when I post my next video. Until next time, I hope you have a happy and healthy day. Cheers!